Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's make Ewa Agoyin. This is beans and stew recipe, and this recipe is a banger. I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. I brought a pot of water to a boil, and to that I'll go in with my beans. I'm using black-eyed beans for today's recipe. I already picked my beans properly off camera, and so there are no stones and no unwanted particles. I'll give that a good stir, cover the pot, and I'll parboil for about 5 minutes. So this is what it's looking like after 5 minutes. I'll drain out the water, rewash the beans, and then introduce it back into the pot. You can soak your beans overnight if you suffer from indigestion or bloating after eating beans. I parboiled it to help get rid of pesticides and other chemicals that we are used in preservation of the beans. So after adding the beans back into the pot, I'll add onion. I love using a lot of onion whenever I'm making beans. It adds a lot of taste to the beans. I'll add onion, a little salt, and then add enough water to cook the beans until it becomes soft. We want these beans to be super soft, like very soft. I'll mix properly until they combine, and then I'll cover the pot and continue to cook. While that is going on, I'll introduce you to the rest of the ingredients. On this plate, I have some peppers and onion. I have 2 large onion. Like I mentioned earlier, I love making beans with a lot of onion. This is Tatashe, which is a local variant of red bell pepper. These are not so spicy, but use as much as you want. The actual peppers used to prepare this delicacy are dried peppers like dried Tatashe, dried Shombo, and dried peppers, but I couldn't lay my hands on dried Tatashe, so this is what I have available to me. I'll take out the seeds from the Tatashe and then get it ready for blending. This is dried chili. I'll add my desired quantity into the bowl and then go in with enough hot water. I'll let it sit in the hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes soft. There are a lot of peppers here. The peppers in this recipe did not come to play. If you're someone that do not enjoy eating pepper, I don't think this recipe is for you. If you don't enjoy spicy foods, then you might want to forget about this recipe. But it's super delicious. The onions will help sweeten it up a little bit. After about 15 minutes, this is what the peppers are looking like. I'll drain out the water and then transfer the peppers into my blender for blending. I don't want to blend it until it is completely smooth. I want the peppers to be roughly blended. If you stumbled on this video by chance, thank you so much for clicking. It means a lot to me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing YouTube family. You love it here. I have delicious, amazing, and easy food recipes that you want to try out. If you're a foodie, then this is the place to be. And if you've been watching my videos and you're yet to subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly smash that subscribe button to be fully part of this community, and also turn on the notification bell so you're among the first to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. After blending, this is what I have. Like I said, I didn't want it to be completely smooth. This is the consistency I was hoping to achieve, roughly blended. So this is just perfect. I'll set this aside and then move on to the next step. This delicacy is from the western part of Nigeria. This delicacy belongs to the Yorubas. So I've learned that beans is called Ewa, and the sauce used in eating the beans is called Agoyin. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. Now we are about to prepare the sauce, which is the Agoyin sauce. I've gone in with palm oil. I let it heat up before going in with my chopped onion. There is no need bleaching the palm oil, just allow it to get hot. After adding the onion, I'll fry until it becomes crisp and fragrant. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes, depending on the amount of onion you're frying. So this is what I'm talking about. It has to be crisp, like the one showing on your screen. Now you need to make the sauce with a lot of palm oil. Please, oil police, do not come for me. That is a requirement for making the sauce. Once I've achieved the crisp texture for the onion, I'll go in with my roughly blended peppers. I'll fry this until most of the water content or all the water content in it dries up. Frying the Agoyin sauce requires a different kind of patience. This sauce requires patience if you want to achieve the best. If you want to get the best out of it, you have to fry this gradually. I'll continue to stir this at intervals and I'll fry until it is ready to accept my spices. After frying for about 5 minutes, this is what it's looking like. We are nowhere near the Agoyin sauce. I'll keep frying this. Please, guys, I'm very active on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and I'll be very happy if you guys can follow me over there as well. I post videos that are a minute long or less on those platforms, so you enjoy watching them. If you're someone that enjoy watching food content but you don't have the patience for long form videos here on YouTube, I recommend you check out my other social media platforms. You enjoy the videos. At this point, I'll go in with my seasoning, which is salt, seasoning cubes, and crayfish powder. You don't need to add a lot to this sauce. Just salt, seasoning cubes, and crayfish powder is enough. After adding the seasoning, I'll stir properly until they combine and I'll continue to fry. Like I said, we'll fry this sauce for a very long time and you'll notice the gradual change in color. The longer we fry the sauce, the darker it gets, which is the goal, which is what we are aiming to achieve. I have some cooked cow skin, aka Kpomo. I'll add them into the sauce because I want them to soak up the taste of the sauce. After adding the cow skin, aka Kpomo or kanda, I'll stir that in until the cow skin is well coated with this delicious pepper sauce because it already smells amazing inside my kitchen. I think this sauce is perfect for eating white yam. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. After frying for like 20 minutes, this is what the sauce is looking like. The more you fry, the darker it gets. So if you have the patience and the time, I recommend you keep frying, but I think I'm done at this point. Our Agoyin sauce is ready. Let's go check on the beans. So this is what the beans is looking like. It's properly cooked and it's very soft. Let me show you how soft it is. The next step is to mash up the beans. Because I don't have a potato masher, I'll use my spoon to mash up the beans. If you've stayed with me up to this time, it shows you're enjoying the recipe and I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please take a moment to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. I'm done mashing the beans and this is what it looks like. It looks good, right? I'm done with the beans and it's time to dish this delicious goodness into my plate. First, I'll start by adding the ewa into my plate before topping it up with my delicious Agoyin stew. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying out this Ewa Agoyin recipe. Please like the video, share it out, leave me your comments and subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you all for stopping by and I would love to see you all in my next one. Bye.